Hi friends, I'm so excited to share and welcome you all to another playlist which is called as the sports analysis using R. Now, I think the moment I saw these things, I said, oh my god, this is something, which will definitely give me some kind of a relaxation to my mind. Number one. Number two, something, which we all enjoy, and that is what? Sports. And now here, from past few weeks, I was researching on my own, and while I was writing two papers of mine, and I came across and I said, wow, I have already fallen in love with art, and now with this kind of a thing coming in, I said I cannot stop myself, and I started. I thought, okay, let me go ahead first of all and share the same thing, the same excitement with each one of you also. Number one. Number two, and this will really help you to go ahead, and maybe you can also do the analysis, and I don't know how these things are going to be helpful for you. My duty is to help you out. Now here you would be saying that I would be using again the free and open source, that is R, and that is the sports analysis. And this is rather than sports analysis, I would say sports analytics in using R. And when this was given to me, I said, oh god, this is something I was really waiting for, because there's so much to go ahead and do the research, especially in journalism and journalism and mass communication and law. Especially I've seen that we are coming up with what we call it as sports laws, legal sports legalities. Then next, in the domain of law, especially Switzerland and some of the universities in other countries also have started focusing not only in sports laws, I would say, even in the sports management now. And I have seen so much of research being done at the undergraduate level. Forget about the PhD level. At the undergrad level, I have seen the summary executive, they have written executive summaries, then the intern reports, and the small papers that the students are publishing, and I was so excited to see them and read the case studies. So I thought one should enter into this domain also, and what could be much more easier than R. So I thought, okay, let me go ahead and start off. Now here, when we are talking about sports analysis using R, what kind of a sports are we talking about? We're talking about cricket, football, baseball, hockey, tennis, soccer, gymnastics, then carom board, and there are plenty of them which are there in the pipeline, and we will see how to use certain packages and what kind of an analysis will help you out. And you can do it not just for the static ones, even for the interactive, dynamic, graphical representations or the visualizations, which students would love to do it. And these kind of analysis I'm doing it especially for the students and the research scholars, so that they can also go ahead and do what we call it as research, and this will definitely help them to get the jobs which are present in various news and TV channels which are spread across, preparing certain documentaries and certain other analysis which they would like to publish in newspapers, books, or even or helping the whenever the spots are being there, they can also do it a lot of research also. And I see that very less research has been done from India, because we have got so many traditional games as well as the sports also, and one should enter into those lines and take care. So in that manner, I think we have got so much of space to go ahead and do a lot of research work. So that's one thing. And then I was thinking that yes, right now I'll start off with cricket. India loves cricket matches, and in the recent cricket IPL matches that were going ahead, I myself was glued to TV and I was watching while going ahead with these kind of analysis also for myself, and I enjoyed it, especially with the cricket as well as the football. Both of them I was going together side by side, and nowadays even the hockey also, which I'm just focusing and taking care. So similarly, you can think about how you can go ahead and write the papers or the I should say some kind of books or whatever however you want to do it, you can carry forward. So when we are talking about sports analysis using especially for cricket, I would be focusing on sports individuals, sports predictions, then competitions, records, visualization, graphical representation, skills that are required. There is I mean, I'm so sorry, Q is missing, so I think I'll have to, you need to forgive me for that. I mean, analysis for the trainers and coaches for the cricketers, and world records that were created and what was its scenario. And there's a lot in this field also, and I've seen some of my students getting so excited, ex students I would say, they were getting so excited when I told them. They said that, ma'am, you should have given to us this one much more earlier, why are you giving us so late? So nevertheless, whatever it is, even if it is late, at least I have started doing it. So I think all of you must like this also, and I would be focusing more on this. Then while I keep telling that yes, I would start off with the packages, however, rather than starting with a separate entirely new list, I thought, okay, let me speak about the cricket packages that would be used. One of them definitely would be cricket are sports sequential pairwise online rating techniques package, which is called as the sports analytics package, which is called as sport, and then cricket R with exclamatory mark, and there are plenty of them. There are around, again, which I have calculated, around 40 of them are there, and let's see how many we are going to use it and how well we are going to take care of it. And I'm sure you would love this one because there are a lot of visualizations, graphical representations, apart from the quantitative and the qualitative analysis that we can carry forward. So I hope all of you will enjoy it. Till then, thanks and take care. Bye.